All right, this is Hans, and this is
Mine.
And this is another
Spicy time.
No, not spicy time. This one is unboxing time. Today we've got something from Japan. This is a box from Zenpop Japan. They're a subscription service. They have all sorts of neat Japanese things. Why don't we crack the box open and look inside? All right, got her open. All right, so the first thing you find in the box is the thank you note. Thank you. No, thank you. You really want this? You happy?
Happy.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. This gives you information about every single variety that's in here. All 8 of them. By the way, if you're wondering about my voice, I've been sneezing, coughing, hacking, runny nose, eyes, aches and pains, full-on seasonal cold, so I'm fine, but yeah, I sound a little bit like Javi Firestein, or George Takei. Oh my. Yeah, so got that going on, but hopefully not for long. But yeah, anyways, this is super, you need it. Yeah. Ooh. Wow, starting off nice. Cup noodles, nice. Pork shoyu. I'll just read what it says on the thing. This is nice as the name indicates. While the soup is thick and rich, this is also a bit better for you with fewer calories than the original cup noodles. Is that even possible? You'll know it once you try this. And actually, this one made the top 10 cups list this year. Next, we have a new touch kimchi ramen. This sounds kind of good. Let's see what it says. Kimchi and ramen are both nice and delicious foods, and when they are combined, the result is fantastic. If you are not a hot food person, don't worry. This is just a slightly spicy ramen with a mild but rich kimchi flavor. Next, we've got one from Mara-chan. This is their dining. I'm guessing it's fine dining. This is a Dantan Men. What? What's so funny? All right, I'll read this one too. Shoyu-based soup is spiced up with Sichuan pepper to give it a sour and spicy flavor. Plus, the aromatic flavor of sesame adds a rich nuttiness to the dish. Many shops across Japan specialize in variations of this rich and satisfying dish. Now, you can try it at home. Yeah, it's kind of fun having this going on with my voice. It's fun for reading things. Next, we've got a rich miso ramen. Smooth and chewy, non-fried noodles are what the Myojo brand is proud of. The soup is delicious too, with a rich flavor of miso, topped with cabbage, corn, and sesame. A classic and satisfying bowl of Japanese ramen to enjoy after the other flavors in this pack take you on a strange journey. Whoa! A strange journey. I like it. I like that. Hey! They're taking us on the strange journey. You're not supposed to be taking us on a strange journey. Hey, come on. All right, next we've got one of these huge Ace Cook Super Cups. This is an Okinawa soba. This super cup contains 1.5 times the abnormal amount of noodles. Okinawa has a few famous dishes, but this one is the most unmissable for anyone visiting the islands. Yummy, chewy noodles in a slightly sweet and spicy dashi is perfect for the summer. Then it says, included is a packet of koregusu, which is chili pepper infused oil used in Okinawa. It's optional, so add it before you eat if you want a little authentic spice. But I do. I do want a little authentic spice. Oh. Alright, definitely happy about this one. This is one of Mara-chan's QTTAs. These are high-end, more stuff with them, and it's curry. It's curry. Alright. QTTA Kuta. Oh. Gives your stomach a satisfying feeling because kuta means I ate enough. Oh. The curry soup with wavy noodles coming in the golden packaging is nice and spicy. Contains meat, potato, onion, and green onion too, which will make you shout kuta when you finish the meal. Yeah, I think I will try shouting kuta when I'm done with the meal. Oh, rad. Okay, super cool. This was on the top 10 list a while back too. So this is Sapporo Ichiban Okonomiyaki Yakisoba, but the spicy version. Rad. All right, here we go. Ripe jalapeno peppers are used to make the yakisoba addictively spicy. Adding mayonnaise brings out the sour and savory taste of the okonomiyaki sauce. Even in this hot weather, the smell of the yakisoba will always intensify your appetite. And now something completely different. We have Kuta Mexican Tacos Ramen. I will read. Have you ever tried Mexican tacos flavored ramen? The toasty flavor of corn expresses the tortillas, and the mildly spicy and sour soup and the ingredients like minced beef and onion make it a bright and vibrant Mexican Japanese style lunch. That's weird, man. I am so down to try this. Alright, so in this month's box you get Mexican spicy ramen, miso, nice shoyu, kimchi ramen, curry, tantan men, yakisoba with spicy okonomiyaki sauce, Okinawa soba, your valuable information sheet, and a thank you. So if you want to check out Zenpop's boxes, head over to zenpop.jp. That's www.zenpop.jp. Zenpop.jp. I got a coupon code for you. I got to make some kind of weird sound, so here you go. Alright, there you go. Well, I'm gonna go blow my nose and maybe have some nice spicy ramen to help take care of my seasonal affectation. Alright, thanks. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Hey, why don't you stick around and check out some other videos after this? Alright, have a good one. Bye.